Israel arrests 25 Palestinians in West Bank. Palestinian women held in Israel starts hunger strike. Erdogan, Turkey has never been expansionist or interventionist. Syria's Assad meets Omani foreign minister in Damascus. Yemen's Houthis rebel strike Saudi airport. Iran surpasses uranium enrichment limit. Germany unwilling to send troops to North Syria. Hasina slams proposal to annex Rakhine to Bangladesh. Mountain Afghan war coincides with talk in Qatar. Intra-Afghan dialogue fails to produce ceasefire. Flash floods hits valley in northwest Pakistan. UN body slams India and Pakistan on violations in Kashmir.